Hey, good morning everybody, welcome. So I got asked a question and I thought I'd shoot you a video to answer it. And the question was, what do you think is the number one thing that helped you turn from a losing trader to a profitable trader? If you had to pick one thing that you can recommend a beginner to do. And it's quite difficult to choose one thing, right? And I really had to think about it for a little while. And I got it, okay? I got that one thing. And for me, it's when I decided that I was going to focus on the process rather than focus on the outcome. That's when I really got to become a trader. So let me explain it. Most of you might be trading an account that is maybe a little bit less than what you'd want to be trading, okay? And let's say you're trading a couple of £1,000, okay, which is typical for beginner traders. But then what is required there is that you follow the process of making, the correct risk management decisions. So risking a small amount, in terms of percentage, so like 1% a trade or even 0.5% a trade, and then focusing on doing all the correct things like filling in your journal, reviewing your journal, and so on. Now, here's why it matters what I said about focusing on the process, because most of you are not going to be happy to risk 1%, because the amount of money you're going to make for the work that you put in is going to be small. So if you think about it, on a £2,000 account, you're risking 1%, you're risking £20. And if your trade wins at, let's say, a 1-to-1 ratio, you're making £20. And even if you had a 2-to-1 ratio, you're making £40. Now, if you think about the amount of work it takes to go and find a good trade, place your trade, do all the technical bits, write down in your journal why you took the trade, review your trading journal, take all the screenshots, all the stuff that goes around with trading, you're probably not going to want to do it, okay? So the thing is that if you want to succeed, it's exactly what you need to do. So my recommendation is, if you focus on that process but also have the end goal in mind. So why is this process going to be important, and how are you going to go from a £2,000 account to trading a £2 million account? Well, quite simply, you need to build a track record, and the only way you can build a track record is by having a set system, a set process of doing things. And you slowly but surely get the confidence, you get the internal know-how, which is really, really important, so you start to believe in what you're doing. And once that belief really is inbuilt in you, you can trade any size account. It really is up to you. So my recommendation, guys, is make sure you learn a rule-based approach, something that's got a probability edge, something that is implementable with your current schedule, okay? So don't become a scalp trader when you're working full-time in a job. It doesn't make any sense. Don't try and day trade in between your lunch break. That doesn't make any sense. Find the hours where you've got freedom, time to think and place properly organized trades. Build that system out, get a track record, and then you can start to scale up. And that's how you go from a beginner trader, by focusing on that process. So I hope that helps. I wanted to share that with you because I think it's really, really important that, I teach you this stuff, because so many people focus on the wrong things. They're looking for quick money, they're looking to double accounts, but that doesn't last. Eventually you blow up and you lose all your money. So if you like this video, guys, comment below. If you need any advice, ask me any question, more than happy to help. Take care, have a great day, take care, bye bye.